This module allows revaluation of foreign currency and unrealized gain/loss in foreign currency. To enable it, go to Tools, Program Control, Module Setting. Check the checkbox of Advanced Multi-Currency. This module is optional for all editions. OK. Go to GL, Journal of Transaction Report. Define the filter option. Click on Inquiry. I have added an AR invoice on 13th of September for USD 4,000 at the rate of 3.5. So converted to home currency is 14,000. Go to GL, Ledger Report. Define filter option and click on Inquiry. This is the ledger record of debtor account. Go to GL, Foreign Currency Revaluation. This is to revaluate all outstanding transactions in foreign currency and to find out if there's any unrealized gain and loss according to current exchange rate. Each revaluation will auto-generate journal entries so there is unrealized gain and loss. The last revaluation rate will be recognized and compared with subsequent revaluation or payments. Click on New. Yes. Key in the description. Assign GL accounts and journal type for posting purpose. Confirm the date of revaluation, 14 September, and the new revaluation currency rate for USD, let's say 3.45. Click on Start Revalue. Under Main tab, you can see the list of related bills, info, and amount of unrealized gain or loss at the right hand column based on the valuation date and rate. Only outstanding bill will be listed. Those already knocked off will not be listed. After I click on Save, 1. The revaluation is not allowed to edit anymore. You may only view, print, or delete the revaluation. 2. Journal entry will be auto-generated should there was unrealized gain and loss. 3. The user will not be allowed to edit or delete transaction in foreign currency prior to the date of revaluation. And 4. The revaluation rate 3.45 will be recognized as the last currency rate and will be referred in subsequent revaluation or payment to compare with the then currency rate and when applicable to derive another unrealized gain/loss or gain or loss on foreign exchange. Click on Save and then Close. Go to Journal of Transaction Report again and to view the entries generated by the system regarding unrealized foreign exchange loss. 200. Go to Ledger Report to see the effect on the debtor account and unrealized loss account. Go to GL, Foreign Currency Revaluation again. Click on New and Yes. Let's say the subsequent revaluation took place after 1 week, 21st of September, and the currency rate is 3.42. This will cause unrealized loss of 120. So 3.42 is compared with the previous revaluation rate, 3.45. Click on Save and Close. Go to Journal of Transaction to see the entries created. 120 as unrealized loss. Go to Ledger Reports. The debtor balance is reduced and unrealized loss account is updated. Another method of currency revaluation is go to GL, Unrealized Gain and Loss. Click on New. Yes. Basically, this method is the same as foreign currency revaluation, which is to revaluate all the outstanding transactions in foreign currency and to find out if there is any unrealized gain loss according to currency exchange rate. The difference is, while each revaluation will auto-generate the journal entries so there is unrealized gain loss, the generated journal entries will be reversed on the next day, which means the original or initial traded exchange rate will remain, be recognized, and will be used to compare with the subsequent revaluation or payments. Key in the description, assign GL account and journal type, Confirm the date of unrealized gain loss, 14th of September, and the currency rate of USD 3.45. Click on Start Unrealized. After I click on Save, 1. For 1 day, the unrealized entry is not allowed to edit. You may only view, print, or delete the evaluation. 2. Journal entry will be auto-generated should there was unrealized gain or loss, and the reverse entries will be auto-generated also on the following day. The original exchange rate will be restored. Click on Save and close. Go to Journal of Transaction Report. Filter the date until 14th of September, the date of unrealized gain and loss. The entries of unrealized loss is generated. And now change the date to 15th of September and click on Inquiry again. You can see on the 15th of September, the reverse entry is generated. Similar process happened in Ledger. This is 14th of September. This is 15th of September with the reversed entries. Go to GL, Unrealized Gain Loss. Click on New and Yes again. Let's say the subsequent devaluation took place after 1 week. That is 21st of September. And now the new rate is 3.42. Notice that 3.42 is compared with 3.5, the initial exchange rate, not the previous exchange rate of 3.45. Click on Save to close. Look at Journal of Transaction Report. On 21st, unrealized loss is 320. On the second day, 22nd, the unrealized loss is reversed. Similarly to the Ledger report, on the 21st, unrealized loss is updated, and on the 22nd, unrealized loss is reversed. That's all for Advanced Multi-Currency module. Thank you.